Okay, so here you are. We are going to do a little bit of coding over here. This coding exercise is very open to you all. You can do any coding of your choice. I'm just showing you some of the possibilities that you can code for. I have added a very simple backdrop. You can add a very simple backdrop or change the backdrop also. So when you click on here, you will get all the black backdrops that are given to you or that are available for you. Okay, so you can select any backdrop. Suppose you want a forest, desert, a farm, or anything. Okay, so I have selected a normal blue sky. Okay, now let's add a sprite. Now to how to add a sprite, we have this kitten like icon over here. Click on it and let's add a sprite. Now I have a simple blue sky. Suppose I want to add a bear over there, or suppose I want to add a bat, maybe a butterfly. Okay, so let's add a butterfly. Okay, so you can position your butterfly the way you want to. You can keep it anywhere, here or there. Okay, you can also add something different. Suppose I want to add something else like so many things are there. Okay, so suppose I want to add a strawberry over there or a sun at in the sky. Okay, so here is the sun. Okay, so when I click on the butterfly sprite, I will code for it. So first code will be always when green flag clicked. Then suppose I want the butterfly to say something. Okay, so let's take a say block. Okay, let the butterfly say nice is indeed a. This is a simple program that